Andrea Leatherman.
Leatherman and Runway Fantasy cleared the bank at 12 A and B.
Training level.
And coming home to the last now, that's number 229, Christina Barber, and Rather Loud. Number 226, over the 6 down the first half of the course, over the rooftop. That's Alyssa Gibbs. Killed Alton Cooley. Now clear over 7 and 8. The yellow house in the corner at 8. And starting on course 231. Nora Batting and Little Miss. Through the water for Andrea Leatherman and Runway Fantasy. They're 15 and 16, 2 away from home. Behind her, Nora Batting and Little Miss, and Alyssa Gibbs with Dalton Cooley.